Okay, let's get this straight. We're making another hiccups movie. But,
We don't have the hiccups. We're just trying to cure them.
yes. Just to, like our other one, Alex here, had the hiccups before and after the video.
Water,
So,
1 sec.
yes, we need water. So, she's going to get water. You need water to cure the hiccups. Don't you, Alex?
Yep.
Yes, you do. Remember from our last video, step 1, drink lots of water.
If the hiccups still don't go away.
Drink lots of water. And no, this is not going to be the same thing as last time. Last time we had a paper, this time we're making up in our heads. As we go along. Take a deep breath, then hold your breath. We're getting better at this.
Okay, if that doesn't work, what you're supposed to do, put one hand on your head, put one hand on your stomach.
Rub. And jump up and down. I'm patting my stomach.
Okay.
Whew.
Good workout.
Oh, and then put one hand on your head, grab your ankle, and do the crazy chicken. That is a cure. I cannot do that.
If that doesn't work, I will tell somebody to hiccup. I say, I have $20. You hiccup, I give you this $20, right? If they can hiccup, $20 is theirs. But I bet you, when I command hiccup, there is no hiccup. Be the diaphragm.
See the diaphragm.
Feel the diaphragm.
Hear the diaphragm.
Taste the diaphragm.
Yep. Okay. So,
If that doesn't work, take your ear, take your other ear, both versus 2 ears, and then jump up and down in a circle and sing A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
now we know our ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
You only have to go until you hit C. That doesn't cure it. What's our next one, Vicky?
I'm dizzy. I had lots of candy and medium Sprite. We just came back from the movie, so I'm a little high.
So, minor distraction.
Cliffs of Dover. 5-star.
Sorry, people.
Streak 100.
Keep going. 87%.
97% of the notes hit.
5 stars.
5-star.
Oh,
6, 4, 7, 5, 7.
Back to our hiccups.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Now out.
Okay, sorry. Okay. Whatever. Enjoy your. We will now listen to a song and meditate. Are we ready?
Yep.
Listen to it. 1, 2, 3. Close your eyes and breathe into the nose, out through the mouth. Ready? My hand's on vibrate. Yeah. Whoops. Okay.
That's on high now.
Exactly. Okay, so now we're gonna listen to a song and we're gonna meditate.
Yes. Katie, put the pig away.
Are we ready?
Put
Okay.
the pig in the sty. Oh, there we go.
Meditate.
Okay. This is not funny. Take a deep breath in through your nose.
Feel the diaphragm.
Out through your mouth.
Feel the diaphragm.
See the diaphragm.
And that's over with. Play the next song.
The next song.
Next song.
Taste the diaphragm.
Feel the diaphragm.
Hear the diaphragm.
Feel the diaphragm. And the last one, end it with something sweet. Cherish your diaphragm.
Yes. Love it with all your heart. Our iPhoto thing is bubbling.
Okay, if that doesn't work, drink more water.
Yes, I need to get a glass of water. Be right back.
So I guess I'm entertaining right now. Another trick, if that doesn't work, think of a story. A very, very good story. And think of it as you drink water. If that still doesn't work, take 2 sips of water.
What next?
If that doesn't work, take a banana.
Put it on your head. And dance around like a monkey.
See how long it can go for. If you can go for over 5 seconds, most likely it will cure the hiccups. Just don't try to break the banana.
If you break the banana, break
That
it.
looks
You buy
really
it.
wrong.
You broke the banana.
Me too.
Next step, eat the banana.
I'll have half, you have half. Okay.
We will put the banana down.
See if you can catch the banana.
I did.
Oh! Oh yeah. Right there, man.
Let me try. It's probably not gonna work.
I win.
Step 2.
Do a victory dance.
And drink lots of water if you lose.
Hooray for the red and blue. After that, the hiccup should be gone.
Voila.
The end. Thanks for coming or watching or yeah.
If you're bored or if you just want to find out how to cure hiccups, but this isn't the right thing for you. Okay, bye.